Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World, and today we got a trio of freebies coming up. Now this one is coming from MD. He's feeling pretty generous today. Now we're going to make this super quick. We're not going to dive deep off into the details because you're going to be able to go check this out for yourself for free. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick this review off with watch face number 1. Alright you all, watch face number 1 is nice. Now this one is called MD 149, and MD of course always does a great job on watch faces. Now I like this one. The design is nice considering that it is a digital watch face. Even in the AOD mode you are going to get the sleekest look out of this mode. It looks really nice. I like the design of it. Now when the watch face is on, of course, as you can see, you're going to get everything that you can ever want to need out of this watch face. Now you have a meter up at the top to your left that's going to represent your battery info. I do like the look of that. For whatever reason, I like gauges, right? So if you come down, you will be able to get, of course, your step status. Now if you're doing good like myself, I'm well over 2,000 steps. The needle is bent. That means I got down once again on this day. Now with that being said, your digital time is going to be nice and bold. Of course, you got your date, you got your weather, you got your moon phase. You can also change the time zone, right? Double tap here, and there you go. You can change the time zone to whatever you want to change it to. And I thought that was pretty different out of a watch face, especially coming from MD. And I think it's a really good look. Of course, it's going to be an energy-saving watch face. And yes, you can tap into, of course, like your weather, your steps, and things of that nature. We're not going to run through all of them, but if you double tap right here, you can change the color theme. We will show you that one. I like the 3D effect that it has with this one. If you look right up under here and at the top, I thought it really complemented the watch face overall. Gives it a real nice, fun look. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be watch face number 1. Let's go ahead. Let's get on to watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is just as nice as number 1. It's called MD 136. Now, I really like this analog look. It has the touch of digital in here, right? Or let's just say digital. You know, you get the best of both worlds. And on top of it, in the AOD mode, I do like the look of this watch face. Looks very nice. Now, real quick, you got nice, fun, stylish analog hands. I really like the look of this MD. Great job on that. I do like the color theme that's within the analog hands, and you also get a smooth second hand as well. Now I do like the index because it brings out the analog theme of this watch face, so it is more analog than it is digital, but again, you do get the best of both worlds. Now if you look to the right, you're going to get your step status. I do like the fact that your step status is all in one place. You got your heart rate information. I like the unique way that he's showing the date. Of course, you get the month, the day of the week, and also your date. I thought that was definitely a good look. Now, you can also make a phone call if you look over to your left, and you also can go into, of course, your weather, your text messages, things of that nature. Now, I do like the realism of the moon phase right there. Very nice. And, of course, if you want to tap into your calendar information, your weather, your make a phone call, you can. And also over here is your steps information. Now, what you can do with this is that if you double tap, you can change the color of each one of your step information. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's see, we got to get it to go, right? Now, if I do the same thing with the time, I can cycle through a few colors, more so in a sense pastel, but very nice though. It does stand out. I thought this was also a nice look to be able to customize the color as well with whatever it is that you may be wearing for the day. Now, if I double tap right here, I can change the theme at the top, and I thought that was definitely a good look. Now, also what I like about this watch face is I could change the color of the hands, right? Which is nice, depending on what you're wearing for the day. Just tap and cycle through the many colors, tap down at the bottom, and you can also do the hour hand as well. So this wasn't bad at all. I mean, you got more features within this. Just download the watch face and check it out. I don't want to keep you all that long, so let's go ahead and let's check out watch face number 3. Now this one is nice by MD. It's called MD 133. I thought this was a good look. Definitely a unique look for an analog watch face. Definitely a fun watch face. A nice weekend watch face as well. And yes, you can dress down with this one if you so choose. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same theme, the same design. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, which isn't bad at all. When it's on, again, very unique. You got a nice smooth second hand, cruising around the bezel of the watch. You also got nice front analog hands as well. You get your normal things that you normally get out of a watch face, which is your step info, which is going to be over to your right and over to your left. You're going to get your date information. You come down, you will get your digital time. Also, you're going to get how many days we are into the year and also how many weeks we are into the year. And what I have not seen yet, which is different for me, which means that I need to download more different watch faces, is you get how many months we are into the year as well, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, up at the top, you will get your battery info. If that's important to you, it's right there. So this is definitely a good look. Out of a dressed down, super casual watch face, this is not a bad look at all. I thought MD did a really good job with the design of this one. And again, considering that it is free, this one is a definite download as well. Now, you do get features and functions within the watch face, like you can customize the hands. You can also go and set a favorite. So if you tap in a couple of places, I will show you that you can set a favorite as well, which I thought was pretty cool out of this watch face. Now, the features and functions, of course, you can go in, you can check your S health, you can get your heart rate information. You can also tap on the date, and you can go in and set an alarm as well. So again, my man always packs some nice features and functions within his watch faces. This one here is no exception. But again, people, it is always up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of these 3 watch faces, and if you're going to download any, and which one you're going to download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.